Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the profound wisdom of Osho, a spiritual teacher known for his unconventional and thought-provoking insights. We'll be exploring his book, a guide that helps us understand the essence of living fully, consciously and joyously. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more content on spirituality, mindfulness and self-growth. Let's get started. Osho's isn't just about surviving day to day, it's about truly living. He emphasizes that most of us are not really living, we are simply existing. We go through life mechanically, driven by routines and societal expectations, rarely stopping to appreciate the present moment. Osho challenges us to break free from this autopilot mode. He invites us to embrace life with total awareness and sensitivity. According to him, life becomes an art when we live each moment with consciousness, creativity and love. Every moment is an opportunity to be alive, and that requires us to be fully present. A central theme in Osho's teachings is the idea of conditioning. From the moment we are born, we are conditioned by society, by our families, schools, religions and cultures. These conditionings shape our beliefs, values and even our personalities. In Osho, urges us to question this conditioning. He suggests that to truly live, we must let go of all the borrowed beliefs and rediscover our true, authentic selves. This requires a deep inner journey, a journey that can be challenging but is ultimately liberating. Osho believes that once we shed our conditioning, we become more in tune with our true nature, and life begins to flow effortlessly. It's like dropping a heavy burden and realizing the freedom that comes with it. Osho also highlights the importance of love and joy in the art of living. For him, love is not just a relationship between two people, it's a state of being. It's about loving oneself, loving others, and loving life in its entirety. He challenges the traditional notions of love that are often tied to possession and control. Instead, Osho promotes a love that is free, unconditional, and joyful. He reminds us that love should bring joy, not misery. Joy, according to Osho, is the natural outcome of living with awareness and love. It's about finding delight in the small, simple moments of life, in a sunset, a child's laughter, or even in solitude. Another key takeaway is the importance of living in the present moment. Osho often says that the past is gone, the future is uncertain, and the only reality is the present. Yet most of us are trapped in the regrets of the past or the anxieties of the future. Osho teaches us that to truly live, we must anchor ourselves in the now. He uses meditation as a tool to help us become more present, more aware. Meditation, according to Osho, is not just a practice, it's a way of life. It's about bringing mindfulness to everything we do, whether it's eating, working, or simply breathing. By living in the present, we become more attuned to the beauty and mystery of life. Freedom is another crucial aspect of Osho's teachings. He talks about the paradox of freedom and responsibility. He believes that true freedom comes with great responsibility, not towards others, but towards oneself. Osho argues that most people fear freedom because it demands self-discipline and awareness. But to live fully, we must embrace this freedom and take responsibility for our own lives. This means making conscious choices, being true to ourselves and not blaming others for our circumstances. It's about owning our life with all its joys and challenges and finding our own path rather than following a path imposed by society or tradition. Osho's is a profound reminder that life is a gift, and it's up to us to make the most of it. By living with awareness, love and joy, we can transform our lives into a beautiful, meaningful and creative experience. Thank you for watching. If you found this video insightful, give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit from these teachings. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on spirituality and self-growth. See you in the next video.